the 11,000 excess appointment. Now, I will rely on their own affidavit. First, if your lordship will kindly come to their affidavit, that is where our case rests. Please come to Lord page 77. That with para 3. That with regards to paragraph 2, 3, 11 and 12 of the petition, the deponent begs to state that Assam Sarva Abhijan Mission had published advertisement for 704 number of posts of contractual assistant teacher wide engagement notice dated 30th June 17. In the advertisement, it was clearly mentioned that number of vacancies may increase. In the meantime, a communication was received from Government of India, while later dated 3/8/2017, regarding last chance to acquire the requisite minimum qualification by elementary level teachers within 31st of March 2019. In the letter, the broad strategy was mentioned to complete the training of untrained teachers by 31st of March 2019 as a last chance. As 31st March 19 was the last date of acquiring the professional qualification by elementary level untrained teachers, the matter was considered with utmost seriousness, and considering the requirement of teachers in the elementary level schools in the state, a decision was taken to fill up the state pool of teachers from remaining eligible candidates in order of merit of the above mentioned engagement process on the basis of provision mentioned in the advertisement dated 37/2017, that is, number of vacancy may increase. This was done keeping in view the emergent situation that as the National Institute of Open School, a registration for admission into 2-year DLN was supposed to be closed on 15/9/2017. If the state pool of teachers was to be filled up by fresh advertisement, it would not be possible to enroll the untrained assistant teachers of the state pool in NIOS within 15/9/2017. Considering the same, these teachers were engaged against state pool on the basis of provisions contained in the advertisement. Now, Milord will kindly come to their own document. First, please come to page number 88. Now, they are referring to this 3rd August 2017 communication. Now, this refers to whom? This is regarding training of untrained in-service elementary teachers.
This is your grievance.
Now,
what is your grievance, Mr. Chaudhary?
Our grievance is, my lord.
These people were recruited.
No, we didn't participate in that because the posts were limited. Now, this post they should have advertised.
No. What right has accrued to these persons who have now come within this state pool?
No.
Have they given permanency?
Oh, my lord. The situation is they were contractual teachers.
They are continuing
Yes,
as
yes.
contractual teachers.
Yes. No, before that, if your lordship would kindly come to one page number 91.
I'm there.
Page number 91. This is a notification issued by the Government of India, 13th of April 2017. Please come to page 92, Roman 6, Roman 4. Advertisement for appointment of teachers should be given wide publicity, including outside the state. Now, the advertisement was for 7042. Now, they have appointed additional 11,000 teachers.
Around another 3,000 plus teachers they have appointed without an advertisement. That is your case.
No, our case is they have appointed additional 11,000.
No, 7,000 plus 11,000.
Yes.
But the figure everywhere is only 11,000.
No, additionally.
7,000 plus 11,000.
11,000. We are saying you can't fill up these 11,000 set because we could have applied because you are supposed to advertise.
Maybe you have not been briefed. Yes, Mr. Bora. How are you permitting this? All these 11,000 people are 18-month diploma.
This case, my lord.
Just a moment. Will not pass. Don't think that I'm going to pass an order. It's a matter which will require deliberation. But a query. All this 11,000, whether they are 7,000 plus 3,000 or 7,000 plus 11,000. Different issue. All are 18 months DLN. Huh? How are you continuing doing the service after the Supreme Court decision? Forget it. Tell me, how are you continuing with their services after the Supreme Court decision wherein 18 months had been held to be not equivalent to 2 years?
Here the AG will appear, my lord. He's out. AG will be out of station, my lord. So we'll fix it any other day. AG will appear.
Mr. Decca, there is a recent judgment of the Supreme Court. These were all done in terms of that Patna and Tripura High Court wherein 18 months was held to be equivalent to 2 years. There is a latest judgment, I'm sorry, this is my problem, I don't remember, of the Supreme Court from Gujarat. Gujarat, I suppose that case had arisen. Same issue. Wherein it is said 18 months will not be equivalent to 24 months. So these all appointees are illegal appointees.
Yes.
You develop your case on that. We'll interfere. You got my point? On the prayer made by Mr.
Though there is no clarity in the affidavit, whether it is 7,000 plus and so much 11.
I drew an impression.
It is 11,000 additional.
I drew an impression that it is 7,000 plus.
No, 11,000 additional.
If 11,000 is totally in excess, you can't have an increase. And Mr. Counsel, also notice one point. Your justification is to the extent that 31(7) the limitation under the RTI would kick in. So before that we want trained teachers.
In service.
In service trained teachers. So you have brought in them so that they can undergo that 18 months course. Now the 18 months course is held to be not equivalent. So take a decision, remove them, advertise this post.
Even the numbers of teachers are not fixed, my lord.
I can understand 7,000 plus 3,000, 11,000. 7,000 plus 11,000 is not permissible, Mr. Counsel. 7,000 plus 11,000 will not be permissible. That we will devise means.
Page 62 and 63 is very clear. Page 62 for a moment of the writ petition. This is for the information, merit list for the post of teachers, etc., advertisement and so and so. Final merit list is website. So this is regarding 7,042. Then the next page, it is for the general information that 11,319 number of 10 qualified candidates have been notified to be engaged as
Let the AG appear. We will not take a call now. Mr. S. Bora, Learned Counsel for the SSA authorities has submitted that the Learned Advocate General Assam shall address this court on behalf of the respondent authorities in the matter. Also, accordingly, he prays that the matter be taken up after 18th of this month. Matter on 25. 25 it's okay?
Yes.
25/6/2024. Also, Mr. K. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. R.M. Dekka, Learned Counsel for the petitioners, are present in the present. Also, raised to list this matter again on 25/6/2020. You get hold of that,
Yes,
that judgment, Supreme Court judgment.